So my yard guy came and delivered a bunch of pellets so that I could have a fire. I'd run out, and having one heck of a flare up with this paint. And like I said, laying flat on my stomach. Oh, for some reason, hang on. Anyway, so for some reason, laying flat on my stomach, I don't even know if you can see me. For some reason, laying flat on my stomach for even, 4 to 5 minutes decreases it. I don't know what the logic is there, but and the doctor says it's nerve pain. I told him to take that nerve out, and he said he couldn't. For some reason, you need that sciatic nerve, and I don't know why. Anyway, so I'm going to keep laying here. It's 3 o'clock, December 26th. Alright, I'm going to lay here. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hi. It's 10 minutes to 6 in the morning, and I just woke up in excruciating pain. I'm going to go in and take a hot shower and see if I can't get this to stop, and then take my pill. My leg isn't working. I don't know if you can see. I have to kind of drag it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get up these stairs. I have to. Okay. Let me get a light on. Hold on. Oh, I hate when I run into stuff. Right now, the pain is definitely a level 10. It's across my back, down this area, my butt, I'll say it, this thigh, my knee, and mostly in my calf is where, mostly everywhere. It makes it so hard to walk. All these stairs killing me. Okay, I'm gonna get in the shower. Be right back. The trouble with taking a nice hot shower to relax those muscles is that you run out of hot water. My foot's stuck on something. So you run out of hot water, and then you got to get out of that water, find a towel and dry off, which is a lot. Okay, so I'm going to go in here, get some more of that.
And
Get down these
put on.
stairs. I'm trying to hold stuff. Sorry. Hi. I just got a call from the radiology place in Merced, and let me get out of this dark room. Hold on. All right, made it out to the truck, got it started, got my walker in. What a grunt. Nope, I didn't even change clothes. I just got ready to go. Oh. All right, so we're off to Merced to get at least one MRI. I'll bring you back. Oh, I gotta get the seatbelt on. Anyway, I'll bring you back. Okay, just pulling into the radiology center here in Merced. Oh, it was a tough drive, let me tell you. Thank goodness I've got a handicap parking sticker. I can just put myself right here in front, which still, as you can see, leaves me quite a walk. But get off that curb. Okay, now I just got to get inside. Okay. So it was really fast. They signed me in and brought me back. I didn't even sit down in the waiting room. All right, let's see. So very quickly, the guy came and got me and brought me in this room. And I got to put a gown on. Okay, so because it's an MRI, I can't take my purse, my phone, with the camera in, of course. So I'll leave you in here until this is done, and I'll be back. Back from the MRI. It took 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get dressed. I don't know if I want to go shopping or not and get some milk. I don't have any. We'll see how I feel after I get dressed. Let me bring you right back. Well, while I was getting dressed, I got to thinking I just left home basically in my pajamas. So, I don't think I'll go to the grocery store. If Walmart was closer, I'd be okay. But yeah. Yay, that was easy. Out of there, and my truck's right there. So that MRI is weird. It's all magnets, from what the guy said. We were talking a little bit. And, you know, they make you take your glasses off. They make you get rid of your watch. Sorry for moving. Anyway, they make you get rid of everything, pretty much. And I was asking when I had my gallbladder out, oh God, like 30, 40 years ago, they left staples in there, right across my belly, inside me. And I was wondering, it always worried me because people say, oh, if you've got something metal on, it's going to pull it right out, like your earrings. These don't come out. It's just going to pull it right out of your body. I always wonder about those staples that are in my stomach. I'm going to take myself home.